as the towns and villages that grew up around the coalfields and the ironworks have been beaten down and forgotten about, seemingly even by the political party born out of its struggles. As our squares and high streets are littered not only with cheap chicken and pizza shops, but also thousands of empty chapels and darkened welfare halls. And as the dazzling promises that the offer of Britishness made seem to ring ever more hollow with each passing Welsh budget day, we are left with the realization that the world did indeed reshape itself. And we were, after all, left behind. No matter what deals we thought we made, the Pied Piper of Britishness danced us all down to the river and then left us there. And as we wake up to the reality of where we are and the incredibly dangerous position we find ourselves in, we open our mouths to warn each other, to shout it to the world, and find we have no voice because we never got to build one. There is a reason we have a dragon on our flag. Dragons soar aloft on the magic and mystery of the past. They terrify with their ferocious power and the savagery of their fiery wrath. But most importantly, they only exist in our minds and in our hearts, never in the real world. Was it Europe that tore up the laws of Hywel or controlled us with a ring of steel? Was it Europe that made Owain Glyndwr a fugitive, imprisoned his family and crushed his vision for a Welsh future? Who was it that stole our relics and smashed our altars? Did Europe tell us who to worship and what language we were allowed to do it in? Who set the wages in the ironworks? Who opened fire at the Westgate Hotel? Who set the tolls that forced Rebecca? Who sent their troops to Merthyr or to smash the NUM? Who drowned Capel Celyn? Was it Europe? No. We know who it was. But if we want to stay British, we have to forget or act like it doesn't matter. So don't teach it in schools. Don't talk about it in public. Don't connect. Pull down the newspapers. Keep the television quiet. Hollow out the language. Make us a theme park. Make us a gift shop. Accommodate. 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 As if nothing else had ever happened.